I'm Dan with Sprouts, Greens, and More. So I'm in the back garden. So a couple days ago I did a mixed lettuce seeding of the raised bed, and I came back here this morning and let me show you. So I had just covered it, and then let me uncover it. And my wife's back here helping me today. So we're gonna uncover it and check it out. After 2 days, now you can see where it wasn't covered right here, where it's not wet and there's no seed. So it covered really good. So my thought on this is I'm gonna take the hoops right here and I might just grab these out of here and then we pull these hoops out right here, and then we'll just put them on the ends on this bed. And Crypto's back here trying to help us. And my wife's gonna get this one in here, and then we're gonna get this one in here. And now we got the hoop. Let me back up and show you. So now we got the hoop on here, and my thought is that I'll put these in and then I'll actually cover the bed and then let this sprout in here. It'll be a good thing. So let me get these hoops in and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so we found some plastic and we got the hoops in. And my wife's got those, and she's gonna take these scissors and cut it, maybe. And then we're gonna, is it cutting it?
No, I'm gonna need the help. It's heavy.
So this isn't greenhouse plastic, it's just, when you're cutting plastic, you wanna make sure you got a little top. And then they'll pull on it, and then it should cut straight across. Like that. These scissors aren't great as cutting plastic, but they work good. Look at the Hydrofarm scissors. They're doing good. So we got this one over here, and then I'm just going to have my wife come over here and shoot the video from over here. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me because I don't have the mic. I also found these little clips right here. So hopefully you can see the clips. And then you always want to make sure you close these scissors when you put them in your pocket. Because man, I've jammed myself pretty good. Okay, so what you want? Let me just shoot the video. I'll do it. I'll just shoot the video. Watch the camera so we gotta move slow. So now we're just gonna cover it, and my thought here is that this thing is going to grow a lot better covered. So that's why I'm doing this stuff right here. And you can see these clips, and these are really small, but they will work. But sometimes you gotta kind of bend the ends around like this. So they come really straight. These are really cheap ones from eBay. And then you just want to make them go around. And then you just want to make sure you got enough over, and then just put them on the bottoms. Let me grab some more and we'll do this one.
Be careful.
And then if you guys look at this side, I'm not even going to cut it. I'm just going to leave it this way for right now. I might come out later and cut it with a better pair of scissors or razor knife. So what I'm going to do for tonight is I'm just going to secure it right here at the bottom. Again, these things are really straight, so you want to bend them. And And this isn't greenhouse plastic. This is just some regular plastic I got from my buddy at the farm. But it'll work really good. And then I'm just going to put a couple around it. But if you don't bend the ends in, then it'll just come off. They'll come off. So you want to make sure that, you know, they're secure.
Yep.
And I think I got these off eBay like 20 for like $6. So I didn't really expect much out of these. But to be honest, it looks pretty good. We have one hoop that's a little high, but it's alright. You just want it to hold in the moisture for the night to protect and get the seed growing a little better. And I'm just going to put one on every one. And you can see that one kind of punched through there. So this plastic's really cheap. Like, you won't get years out of this plastic. You'll go through 1 year and then you'll be done with it. And that's it. And then if we have Tammy, we'll lift it up a little bit. See if she can film in there. And then you can see inside there. Did you get it?
Yeah.
So we got a good view of inside the tunnel now. And there we go. And that's 3 days with the lettuce, 2 to 3 days. And we're good. So literally made a hoop house in less than, let me turn around a little bit. Made a hoop house here in less than 40 seconds. I mean, it took about 5 minutes total to come out here and shoot the video and show you how to make a hoop house real quick on your raised bed. So just a quickie tonight. Gonna get this video posted quick. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the video, share it with your friends. Eat what you grow, grow what you eat, and peace. I'm out of here. Peace. I'm out of here, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.